Once upon a time in the vibrant island of Jamaica, two cousins, 18-year-old Ricardo Campbell and Lucilda Rose, shared a passion that resonated through the sun-kissed air: music. They lived just a stone's throw away from each other, where the sounds of the island intertwined with their dreams. Each afternoon, they gathered in a small, sunlit room filled with vibrant artwork and a weathered piano that had seen better days. With only their shared determination and a few online tutorials, they dove into the world of music, struggling through scales and chords, laughing through mistakes, and rejoicing in their successes. The melodies they crafted spoke of their journey, a beautiful tapestry of growth and collaboration. Their favorite piece to play was a haunting melody that echoed the lush hills and rolling waves of their homeland, encapsulating the spirit of Jamaica. Word about their talent spread throughout the neighborhood, eventually reaching Taddy G, a well-respected piano teacher known for his mesmerizing performances. Curious and intrigued, Taddy G decided to pay his students a visit. As he approached the cozy home, he could hear the familiar notes floating through the open window, woven into the fabric of the island's evening. Upon entering the room, he was greeted by the surprise of the cousins. Ricardo, with his fingers dancing over the keys, and Lucilda, harmonizing with sweet vocals, filled the space with music that transformed the ordinary into something extraordinary. Taddy G stood mesmerized, watching as they played with a natural mastery that was rare for their age. When they finished their song, Taddy G couldn't contain his admiration. "You two are incredible. It's not just about playing the notes, it's the soul you put into it. Have you ever thought about taking lessons?" With wide eyes and hopeful hearts, Ricardo and Lucilda exchanged excited glances. They had only ever dreamt of guidance from a master like Taddy G. After some discussion, they agreed to take lessons together, eager to polish their skills and understand the depths of musical theory. As the weeks turned into months, under Taddy G's guidance, their friendship deepened and their music flourished. Ricardo and Lucilda became a dynamic duo, fusing their individual styles into something uniquely theirs. They began composing original pieces that reflected their lives in Jamaica, each note laced with the colors of their adventures together. One sunny afternoon, Taddy G held a mini-concert featuring his remarkable students. As Ricardo and Lucilda took the stage, the audience, filled with family and friends, erupted in applause. Their hearts swelled with pride as they shared their music, radiating joy and unity. That day, they realized their journey together was only just beginning, a melody yet to be fully composed. And so, amidst the rhythms of Jamaica, Ricardo and Lucilda blossomed, their hearts forever intertwined by the magic of music and the beautiful bond of family.